guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this look. I did it especially for like Valentine's Day or any special occasion like a date or something because I feel like it's super cute, like kind of flirty, a bit dramatic but not too much, and I do it step by step so it can be easier, especially if you're a beginner, if you want to recreate this look. I hope you like it. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this little family and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos, and give this video a big thumbs up please if you liked it. And now let's get started. As always, I'm going to clean the bottom of my eyebrows first using the Rimmel Stay Matte concealer and the Real Techniques detailer brush, and then I'm going to use the same concealer as a primer for my eyeshadows. I'm going to blend it out with the Real Techniques sponge. I use a sponge wet, that way it just doesn't absorb all the product and it just blends it out really nice. You can also use your finger, that will also blend it out nice. And then once it's nice and blended out, I'm not going to set it this time. I'm gonna go straight into the eyeshadows, and I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Born Exclusive eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go into this super light pink shade, and I'll be applying it with one of my new PROFUSION brushes. And I'm barely starting to use these brushes because I just received them like 2 days ago, and they're so soft and so nice. I've been using their brushes for years and they do last a long time. They're great quality and, like I said, super soft. So I'm just applying this on my crease. I just keep applying layers. That way the pink can really like stand out. And I did not set the concealer because I want the eyeshadows to, like, the pigmentation to stand out. And if I set the concealer first, that will not give it a lot of like the pigmentation. The color is just gonna look a lot lighter, but since it is a light shade, it's not gonna be that hard to blend out. Then I'm going to grab this shimmery shade using another one of PROFUSION's brushes. This one's a flat brush. And I'm going to apply this on my eyelid. And it's not necessary to wet the brush for the eyeshadows to stand out, like the shimmer to stand out, which is what I love about this palette. And it's also inexpensive, so I really love that because it's great quality. Anyways, I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid and also to blend out the edges because I don't want the shimmery eyeshadow to have like a harsh line. I want it to look nice and blended out into the pink eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna go over with the same little brush very lightly over the edges, that way it can look a little bit blended. For the eyeliner, I'm gonna use the Covergirl liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna start in the center of my eyelid, like right above my eyelashes, and work my way towards the outer corner. I always start with a very thin line and then I complete it on the other side, like the inner part, and I always make it thinner on the inner corner than the outer corner. I've had a lot of practice with liquid eyeliner, so I'm kind of getting used to how to do the eyeliner kind of quick. But if you're a beginner, I suggest you use a cream or a gel eyeliner and a small angled brush. To me, that's just a lot easier. For the wing part, I like to continue the line, extend it a little bit on the top of the eyeliner, and then connect it on the bottom part, and then fill it in. I always start with a small wing, that way if I wanted to make it a little bigger, thicker, longer, whatever, I can just add a little bit to that. But you don't want to start with a thick or a long one because then you might not like it and it's kind of hard to go back. To make this look a bit more shimmery, I'm gonna add the LA Girl glitter. I forgot what it's called. It's basically pressed glitter and makes it a lot easier to apply glitter to the eyelids instead of using loose glitter. So I'm gonna do this with my finger and just tap it onto my eyelid. And I do have a bit of fallout under my eyes, but I can just clean that with a brush. For my lower lash line, I'm going to apply this purple shade using the PROFUSION small pointed eyeshadow brush ES6. I did apply a couple layers to deepen up the shade a little bit. I'm going to be applying these cute eyelashes. These are also from PROFUSION, and I like them because they look so simple. They come in a pack of 5 pairs, and this pack is only $7, which is so good. And they're great quality too. I will link them down below in case you guys would like to buy a pack. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of the Maybelline Great Lash mascara to my top eyelashes just to kind of make them blend into the fake eyelashes, and then I just stick them together. You can use your fingers or the tweezers, and also to take off the eyeshadow powder or like the glitter if you have any left on the eyelashes, because you don't want them to look powdery. And then I forgot to do this before applying the eyelashes, but it doesn't really matter. But I'm going to grab the little sponge applicator thingy, whatever it's called, and grab the purple eyeshadow that I put on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to apply that on the waterline. And I like to do this if I don't have a color of the eyeliner that I want on my waterline. You can do this using a Q-tip with any matte eyeshadow, or shimmery. It can be shimmery too. Then I'm going to apply the same mascara to my lower lashes, and that completes this look. I really hope you guys like it. I feel like it's so cute for Valentine's Day or just a date or a girls' night out or something. I don't know, it looks dramatic, but not that dramatic, and just the colors and the glitter, I feel like it's just so cute. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and your family. And also let me know in the comments below what other videos you want me to do, like what colors of eyeshadows or anything in the comments. Leave that in the comments below and I'll be happy to film that. Thank you guys so much for your love and your support. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!